Hey guys, this is Venkat for venkatfin.com. If you're looking for health insurance or pure term insurance or any other investment plan, message me any time of the day and ask me how much is the consulting fee because I work on a consulting fee model. YouTube is a research platform. People mostly predominantly use me only for researching and get some clarity on what they are going to invest. Let me come to this story. This is a customer who was living in an NRI living abroad, and he wanted to take a term insurance plan through me. And he came down to a small town in his village, and he had only two times, exactly 2 days in India. He will be in India exactly for 2 days in his small town. I'm supposed to organize through the branch. Supposed to organize a medical test for him because in a term insurance, medical tests are mandatory. Other process can be done later, but when he is in India, I wanted to do medical test because if he is abroad and do medical test, it's very, very expensive for him. When he is in India, the company will take care of the expenses. So this is the thing. So once when he was here, the half a day went. 2 days he has, half a day already went. So I started getting desperate because I have a focus that I believe in customer happiness, customer experience because I come from IT industry. So what happened was I messaged the head of customer servicing, policy servicing, everyone in my company that I'm associated with, and I through some internal channel I reached out to some guy who said, give me all this data. I will try to organize the medical test for him by today or tomorrow. Then the branch guys they were also doing their part. But I don't want to take chances. That is why I wanted to ensure the customer when he's in India, medical test has to be done. And I even told the customer, see, this is 2 days is too less for me. Most of the life insurance companies sometimes, because a third party is doing medical tests, sometimes the 2 day buffer is not enough. At least 5 to 6 days buffer is well and good to organize medical test. But anyway, here I have 2 days and half a day was already gone. So I was scrambling. Somehow by evening, the medical test was confirmed for the next day morning. The customer also completed it. But the most painful part was that the head of policy servicing, everyone appreciated me, everything okay. They didn't appreciate. I appreciate and thank them for giving me some contacts. But the guy who spoke to me through the internal team, who's responsible for medical tests, he told me, "Why are you reaching out to social media and all? Why don't you get this done with through the branch?" So here comes the problem. In the insurance industry, nobody understands the feeling of a customer. I am completely, I'm totally against someone who says that the insurance industry does offer good set of customer experience, customer happiness, everything. Because in my experience, if it is there, take it happily. If it is not there, you must remember that it is not there. In most cases, when people don't have good customer experience and customer satisfaction, it's a part of life in the insurance industry. Though I am in the industry, I have to comment on this because this guy who's in the internal team, he is not supposed to ask me, why did you reach me also? Because he is also doing that job. He should not give all the responsibility to the branch. Sometimes, because I have only 1 day for the medical test to be organized. So I have all the rights to ensure the customer doesn't feel bad. Making money is second thing, commission is second thing. All these industry and people like you think that commission is important in this industry. No, I make sure the customer happiness is important, but most of the cases, even I have pathetically failed because the kind of lethargy these people show in the industry, wherein you could have done this with the branch. Why did you call me? Which means next time I'm not supposed to reach this team who directly, get things done for me. So, and the customer also didn't appreciate me much for all he was hurrying, when if the medical test has not been confirmed, he would have surely felt bad about it. But it was confirmed, so he was only agitated. He took it as a normal day for him. But I spent the whole day. So in my experience, if you wanted to take term insurance or health insurance online, you will certainly face this. If you go through a responsible advisor, there are chances. Again, I'm not promising. There are chances that when you face these issues, they will try to, you will at least have someone answerable. That is what I can tell you. But don't expect this kind of customer happiness term when it comes to life insurance purchase process. If you need general consulting, message me any time of the day and ask me how much is the consulting fee. Thank you so much. Good luck to you.